Romeo Agopilas, the outgoing Deputy Executive Officer of the Regional Personnel and Human Resource Development Division. Young Romeo was born on June 9, 1953 and grew up in the municipality of Sayut, Pangasinan. He is the father who imbibed the positive core values to his three siblings through the support of her one and only loving wife, Lilian. Superintendent Aquilas was a third-class trainer at the Philippines on February after accomplishing a sum of Carla on August 1, 1973, then became constable on October 3, 1974. Chief Inspector Elisa Ramirez of Basuban, the outgoing chief, and Brigade Deputy CCR of Isabela PCO, born on June 9, 1953, at Estadio, Isabela. SPO4 One Boy Karanian Araw, the outgoing chief of the publication section of the RCHRDC, and graduate Bachelor of Science in Industrial Education at Cagayan State University. SPO4 Juanito Vivian Sataw, the outgoing supply PNC of the Murego Station. SPO4 Calvin S. Bialo, the outgoing Deputy COP of San General Police Station. And SPO1 Master Ortiz, the outgoing Chief Radio Operator of Santa Teresita Police Station. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to our honorary Superintendent Romeo Fortunato Aquilas, Chief Inspector Elisa Ramirez of Basuban, SPO4 One Boy Karanian Araw Jr., SPO4 Juanito B. Jin Sataw, SPO4 Palmanin S. Biaro, SPO1 Nestor P. Ortiz.